Hello everybody! Today we're going to take a close-up look at the Christys Ely Trilby Tweed hat. So let's go ahead and take a look. So as you can see, this is a hat in the Trilby shape. And it is grey in colour. And just taking a look around the hat. You can see that it does have a peaked or pointed front. And taking a look top down at the hat, you can see that it does have a narrow brim to it that turns up at the rear of the hat. And giving you a close-up look to the tweed fibers and patterns of the hat. You can see the herringbone pattern on this tweed hat is made from a combination of wool fibers in different colors, however producing a majority or main grey color. So taking a look on the underside of the hat, or on the inside, you can see that it does have a dark blue lining. And once again giving you that close-up look to the herringbone pattern. Of the weave and fibers that make up the hat. And let's take a deeper in look so you can see the Christys London label there on the inside of the hat, and of course the tag of the hat. So it is a Christys Ely Trilby Tweed hat. And opening the card and taking a look at the inside, there is some information about Christys London, as well as some literature about their hats. And let's take a look at the tag here. You can see the tag and the size label there, L denoting the large size. And just giving you a close-up look to the thickness of the brim of the hat. You can see right there the thickness. So, and in terms of the firmness or feel of the hat, it does have a nice coarse texture to it, being made from tweed, which naturally or usually is a coarser fiber or fabric. And right there giving you a look further out. And once again giving you an all-round look at this Christys Ely Trilby Tweed hat. And once again, taking a look on the underside, but this time further out, so you have a better perspective of the size and shape of this Christys Ely Trilby Tweed hat. So the side view, you can see where the back of the hat is upturned on the left and sloping forwards to the right. And now just turning the hat around so that the front is facing the left hand side of the screen or frame. And once again giving you that close-up look of the construction of this hat. So as you can see on the Christys London label there, this hat is a pure British wool hat in grey, and of course it is made with a tweed herringbone V pattern, producing a main grey colour. So that's the Christys Ely Trilby Tweed hat. Thanks for watching and happy accessorizing!